Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your YouTube account permanently on your phone. Really easy and simple to do, just takes a couple minutes. So all you have to do is head over to your YouTube application and open that up. Once you're on YouTube and sign into the account you want to delete, you just want to go to the picture in the top right corner and click on that. And then once you're on here, you want to click on your channel. And then when this pops up here and it says your account's username and how much subscribers you have, you just want to click on the three dots in the top right corner and just click on help and feedback. Once you're on here, under where it says describe your issue, you just want to click on it and just search for delete. Once you just search the word delete, it should give you the option delete or hide your YouTube channel. So you just want to click on that just to make it quicker. And then once you're here, you just want to scroll down and click on delete your channel permanently. And just scroll down a bit more, and under option 2, it's going to give you a link to your advanced account settings. So you can just click on that. And then it'll just pop open Google Chrome here, logged into your account. Just make sure that you're logged into the account still that you want to delete, just to be on the safe side. And then once you are on this page and it's the account that you want to delete, as you can see right here, it just says delete channel. So we can just click delete channel. And then it's just going to ask you to put your password in. So you can, once that's in, you can just click on next. And then it's just letting you know that it's going to delete or hide all the content you've also made on your YouTube channel. So it just asks you to make sure that you want to delete it. You could also hide your channel here as well if you just want to temporarily hide it. But if you want to permanently delete it, just click on the permanent delete option and click the following will be permanently deleted. And then you can just click delete my content and delete my content. And you just have to type in your email address here. So let's put mine in. And click delete my content. And it says right here, your content is being deleted. It just takes a couple minutes. But yeah, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.